guys. I got an update on the car for you. It's not good news on the Subaru. As you guys can see, she has been wrecked and everything. What happened is I went to go make a turn and there was a truck blocking one lane of oncoming traffic, and next thing I saw was a blue streak, and next thing I knew, a motorcycle went into my fender right there, and his body hit the windshield and his bike hit the door, and on the other side he pushed me into the front of a truck. I don't know what I want to do yet, because I only had liability on the car. As you can see there, that's all bent out of shape, and right over there. Granted, if it was just the front, here, I'll show you. If it was just this part right here that was bent, that'd be fine. But when it's gotten over to here and down here where it's bent, and right here, I don't know if I can save it. But as you see, it pushed it back, but I drove it home, so it still runs and drives. Right now I'm driving the GMC and the Chevy, but as of right now, I don't know if I'm gonna sell it, fix it, or what. I want to fix it, I just don't got the money to fix it right now, because I'd be doing all the work myself. I can't afford to take it to a body shop and all that, because that would be thousands of dollars. But I've been trying to find a parts car or something to that nature that I can steal the whole front end off of. I got pieces of the front bumper and that in the grill in the back of the car, but I don't know what I'm going to do. This happened like 3 days ago, 3-4 days ago. I didn't know when I was going to make this video, but I decided today's better than never, so I did. But I'll probably do a video of fireworks for you guys, and then middle of next week I'm going to be camping with the boat, and I might take videos of that, because I might be doing some stuff out on the boat. I don't know yet, but I just thought I'd give you guys a short update video. I know it's not much, but I thought I'd let you guys know what's been going on and whatnot. But my insurance is going to cover the other vehicles that was in the accident, but like I said, it's liability, so mine won't be covered. Unfortunately, I'm wishing that I had full coverage, but I think if I had full coverage, the insurance would probably total it out, and then I'd really be up the creek without a paddle. But here, I'll show you guys that it still starts and everything. It took me a little bit to get that passenger window to go up, but until she still starts and runs, still goes forward and backwards. But yeah, it sucks. I haven't had this car very long, and I haven't had an accident in forever. And by when me and any of my other passengers that were in the vehicle seen the motorcycle, it was too late. All we seen was a blue streak, and then he was into my fender. I wish I would have my GoPro running. I usually would have, but I didn't for some reason that day. And I wish I would have, because they would have been able to get the speed of the bike, because I honestly think the bike was going over 30 miles an hour, because when any of me and my passengers seen him, he was in my front fender. There was nothing I could do. I couldn't stop, I couldn't do nothing. So, well, it's a loss, it's a car. Nobody was hurt. That's what I'm thankful for. The guy on the motorcycle went to the hospital, got treated and released. So, I'm wishing I would have my GoPro running, but I didn't. But I just thought I'd let you guys know, and let you know about everything going on. I'm hoping to have more videos, but yeah, I had to slam this door, and now I can't get it open. So I'm gonna have to take off the fender on both the hinges and try to get it off that way. But I haven't tore into it. It's just been sitting here. I put it up on Facebook for sale, and I had one person message me about it, but never got back to me. I had people that knew the person on the bike do some rude comments and all that crap. So, but that's Gillette, Wyoming for you. It's just the way it is. I got a citation for it, for improper lookout. But I looked beyond the truck for what I could see. I didn't see no motorcycle coming. I kept watching that lane, and by when any of my passengers or me seen it, it was too late. I couldn't stop, I couldn't do nothing. I was doing about 5, maybe 10 miles an hour turning. So I don't know why that motorcycle was just a blur to everybody. And then next thing we knew, I'm glad he hit where he hit, because he didn't hit my tire. Well, he nicked my tire. Let's see if I can find the mark here. He nicked my tire right here, but it didn't damage my tire, it didn't damage my rim, my front suspension, nothing. So I was able to drive home. Cops let me drive home, but I know if I got headlights and a new windshield, I'd be able to drive it again. It's just a matter of straightening out the front end to where that frame isn't bent. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. If you guys know of anybody that has parts for 90s Subarus, this is a 95, let me know down in the comments or on my Instagram or whatever, because I would honestly like to fix it up. I like the car. I had plans for it. I had plans on putting a turbo on it and all that stuff. And what was funny, me and my one of my friends, my ex's brother, was in the car, and we were just talking about turboing it, and I was going through all the stuff I'd need to do that, and then not even 5 minutes later, this happened. Funny thing is, I had a funny feeling that day when I went to go do that. I asked the people that were with me, that's standing here at the house, that if they wanted to go or stay, because if they were going to stay, I was going to leave my son with her, because that way it'd be easier to just go pick up my ex's brother from the skate park and take him home and come right back. Well, she wanted to come, so I said okay. Loaded up Jasper, using his car seat all buckled in. Everybody was wearing their seatbelts, by the way. The one day I actually do. Just like normal, even for some reason I had a feeling something was going to happen, but I've had that feeling before. I didn't think nothing of it, and went and picked him up, and it was not even a quarter mile to his house, and this happened. I'm just thankful nobody was seriously injured or anything like that, so I can't ask for much more than that. But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Let me know what I should do, guys. If I should just keep it and fix it, or if I should try to get a new one. But I don't know. So who knows? But I just thought I would. Sorry guys, I was checking the time, how long this video was. It's longer than I thought it was. But sorry about all the rambling and everything. But I just thought I would let you guys know what's been going on. So I'm hoping to have more videos next week, sometime the end of next week, beginning of the week after, of camping, boating, whatever. I might do a video sometime with the Duramax. I don't know. Just things have been real rough lately, so I don't know what I should do now. This wasn't in the plans. Never is. But I don't know what I should do. Let me know, guys, what I should do. If I should keep it, should I sell it? What should I do? Part it out. Well, I don't know if I want to part it out really, because that would be a pain in the butt. But as far as I can tell, I'd need front fenders, one front headlight, two front headlights because the bracket's broken on my passenger one, a hood and a windshield, and a front bumper. Is about all I can tell is that I'd need in the passenger side door. So I don't know what's going to happen yet. Let me know what you guys think I should do. But I just thought I'd do a little update for you guys and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. So, but I think I'll let you guys go for right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, see ya.